Hey, before you update your resume, before even you start applying for Naukri or LinkedIn, before you even tell your parents, मुझे नौकरी मिल जाएगी, I want you to stop just for a moment because most students skip the most important step, and that step is not about polishing your CV or even preparing for your interviews. It's about asking two simple but very powerful questions. And if you skip these, you might spend months applying in wrong direction and wondering why nothing is working. So let's fix this today. So I've worked with a lot of students, fresher, final year, some who just passed out, and almost all of them come to me saying the same thing. So now I'm applying everywhere but not getting the interview calls. And the first thing I ask them is, tell me what kind of role you actually want. And then goes silence. They don't know. Not because they are not smart, not because that they haven't worked hard, but because nobody told them to ask these questions to themselves. So the question number 1 is, what kind of work actually excites me? Not what your college professor told you to do, not what your cousin who got placed in TCS is doing, not what that looks impressive on paper, but what excites you. Now I know that some of you will be thinking, Sona, we are just fresher. How do even I know that what excites me? So here's a simple formula to figure this out. Just invest your quality time here. Because what I'm going to tell you will change your life and will save your next coming so many months or maybe years. Think about the last time you worked on something. Maybe an assignment, a project, or even a college fest. And you completely lost track of time. You were just in it. You are not checking your phone, you are not checking your clock, you were just doing the work. Was it presenting something? Was it building something? Or was it solving a problem? Or was it organizing people? You have to think about it. Close your eyes and think about it for 2 seconds. That feeling is your clue. Because when you apply for work that genuinely excites you, it shows. It shows on your resume, it shows on your interview, it shows everywhere. And recruiter can easily identify that. Trust me, it's very easy. So invest your time to ask this question. Now let's talk about question number 2. What do I want my life look like? Not just the job, my life. I know that sounds very big, but stay with me because I am going to tell you how. Do you want to travel or stay in the same city? Do you want to be around with people all day or you want to work independently? Do you want a structured 9 to 6 job or you want flexibility? These are the questions. These are the things that will decide whether you will be happy or not. If you will be entering in a job without realizing all these things, maybe after 2 months you will be thinking, oh, ये job तो मेरे लिए था ही नहीं, मैं ये क्यों कर रहा हूँ? So if you want, this question will never come in your mind that why I am doing this, मैं कहाँ फंस गया? So you have to ask these questions to yourself. These are very simple questions but very powerful. Only the thing is required is your honesty. And trust me, through this video, we are trying to solve your big problem. So before you open that laptop and start applying for everywhere, so write down your answers even if they seems very messy, even if you are not 100% sure that what excites me, what do I want my life to look like? These 2 questions will become your compass and they will save your months of going in the wrong direction. So, after watching this video, bring out your diary or your notebook, write down these questions, and whenever you have time, whenever you are with yourself, whenever you have peace of mind, write down the answers. I hope this helped, and if it did, share it with one friend who's also starting the job search. They probably need to hear this too. don't forget to subscribe to my channel for watching more insights about your career development. Take care. Bye.